For this question, all you have to know is that the average rate of change is the same as calculating the slope. Remember our slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All we have to do is plug in the points. So calculate s of 1.8 minus s of 1 and divide it by 1.8 minus 1. Here's how we do it on a calculator. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to input this equation into our calculator. So I'm going to press the green diamond button, that guy, and then press F1. And it should take you to this screen where it says y equals whatever, whatever. So our function here is s of t equals t cubed over 8, but we're going to just use y and x here. So I'm going to have y equals x raised to this up caret, the third power, this 3. And if you want, you can put parentheses around everything. I can scroll back to the beginning of the sentence and back to the end, divided by 8. And then just press this enter button down here. So now you'll see that y1 equals x cubed over 8. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go back and press this home button. And now what we want to do is compute the slope. So what we're going to do is start with parentheses. And we're going to reference our equation y1 by typing in y1 and the value that we're going to put into y1, which is 1.8. 1.8 minus y1. Again, we're referencing our previous equation, and then close parentheses. So right now, see, I have a parentheses in the beginning. Hopefully my camera will focus. I have a parentheses in the beginning, and maybe if I don't use my finger, and then a parentheses all the way at the end. Those two parentheses enclose what I have in the numerator. So now I need the denominator. So x2 minus x1. What is my second x value? 1.8. But before I put in 1.8, I got to put another set of parentheses. 1.8 minus 1 and close the parentheses. So I have a set of parentheses on top that close the numerator, and then a division sign, and then a set of parentheses on the bottom that enclose my denominator. So if you don't have those parentheses there, you're probably going to get the question wrong. Okay, so then go ahead and press enter. And you get 0.755, and that's our answer.